You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 1 over 12. Let's solve it step by step. Remove the ones. Though a variable sign changes when it is multiplied by -1, its absolute value does not. Therefore, we can eliminate the 1. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 1 over 4 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the 0 numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by -3. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 1 over 12.